What is the White House ballroom building dispute about, and why is the Trump administration involved? The fight has reached the Supreme Court, and the stakes are high for a project that's already sparked controversy and legal battles. The dispute centers on a massive 90,000 square foot ballroom the Trump administration wants to build adjacent to the White House. This project began last October when the East Wing was demolished to make way for the new construction. The plan aims to dramatically reshape the White House campus, but has faced significant pushback since its inception, sparking a months-long legal battle over its scope and impact. The project has been mired in legal challenges that have stalled construction. Lower court judges issued rulings that stopped the work, citing concerns about the project's legality or impact. In response, the Trump administration escalated the fight by asking the Supreme Court to immediately allow the construction to continue. The administration criticized the lower courts for blocking the project, emphasizing the need to proceed without delay. Before this ballroom project, events were frequently held in tents outside the White House. These tents, which cost upwards of $1 million per event, have been criticized by former White House staff. A former White House chef described them as embarrassing, noting that guests were forced into close quarters, sometimes elbow to elbow. The ballroom aims to solve these issues by providing a permanent, spacious venue, though the high costs and controversy persist. As of this Friday, President Trump has formally requested the Supreme Court to clear the way for construction to proceed. This move marks a critical escalation in the months-long legal fight. The Supreme Court's decision will determine whether the ballroom project can continue or if the lower court's halting orders will stand, making this a pivotal moment for the future of the White House campus overhaul. What this means for you is that the White House ballroom dispute affects how the president hosts official events and how taxpayer money is spent on government properties. If the project moves forward, future White House events might be more spacious and permanent, but costs and controversy will remain in the spotlight. Stay informed and subscribe for updates on this high-stakes legal battle that could reshape a historic landmark.